What are identity operators in Python? This is a topic sometimes confusing for beginners, but today I will show you what are identity operators in Python in a very simple way. So in Python, identity operators are is and is not. They don't care about the value. They only care about whether two names point to the exact same thing. So we will use is to check if it's the same object and is not to check if it's a different object. So let's understand this with example. For example, I have two lists over here in which the value of A, 1, 2, 3 and the value of C are same, but they are not a same list. It is same as two people can wear the same shirt, but does not mean it's the same shirt. They have two different shirts where two different people wearing it. So this is same. So A have same value like C, but they are different objects. But here I am saying A had this value and then here's I am saying B is equal to A. This means I am pointing to the same object. So B is pointing to the same object A. So they are pointing to the same object. Then I print A is E. This will return true because A and B are pointing to the same list. And if I print A is C, this will return because A and C look same but they are different lists. But here, let's run this code and see the result. As you can see here, it is returning true for A is B and A is C, it is returning false. But what happens if I use A and C is not over here, and now in the code you will see it is returning true now. Before it was returning false. So this means A is not C. This is true because they look same but they are different objects. But if I do A is not B, then it will return false because A and B are pointing to the same object in the memory. So hopefully you understand identity operators. If you like today's video, press the like button and follow for more videos like this. Thanks for watching this video. Membership operators in Python. Today we will learn about membership operators in Python. What are membership operators? So membership operators are used to check whether a value exists in a sequence like in a list, in a string or a dictionary. Today I will make you understand the membership operator by using a list example, a string example, and a dictionary example. So let's learn what are the membership operators first. So we have two types of membership operators. We have in and then we have not in. So in will return the true value if the value is found in the sequence, and not it will return true if the value is not found in the sequence. So for example, I have a list of fruits in which I have apple, banana, and mango. Then I can use in operator to check if the apple is present in my list. So if I do print apple in my fruits, which is this list, this will return true because apple is present in here. And then I want to check if the grape is present in this list. This will return false because there are no grapes in over here. If we run this code and see the result. So as you can see here, it returned true for the apple and for the grapes, it returned false, which means there are no grapes in this list. Now we are using not in over here. So I am saying grape not in fruits, which means grapes are not, I am saying that grapes are not present here. So this will return true because grapes are definitely not in this list. And then I'm saying banana is not in fruits. This will return false because this statement is wrong. Banana is present in the fruit list. So that's why this will return false. Next example we have is string example. So I have a text in which I have a string and I am saying print Python in text. I am asking the computer or I am telling it that Python in text. So yes, Python is present in this text. So it will return true if we run this code and see the result. So as you can see here, it has returned true for this because Python is present in this text. Now I am saying print Java in this text, but there is no Java word in this text. So this will return false because there is no Java. But if here I say not in, then this will return true. As you can see here, this has returned true now because Java is not in the text. This is a true statement. Then we have a dictionary example. This will check the keys in the dictionary. So for example, I have name and age keys over here. So I am printing name in student. Yeah, it is present. And then I say mark not in student. This will true as well because there are no marks key in this. We only have name and age keys in over here. So hopefully you understand membership operators. If you understand them and if you like this video, press the like button and follow for more videos like this. Thanks for watching this video. Lists in Python. Today I will show you what are lists in Python. A list in Python is used to store multiple values in one variable. Think of it like a list like a shopping list, which can be ordered, changed, and can hold different type of items and can hold same items as well. So for example, I have a fruit list in which I have apple, banana and mango. And we write the list by using square brackets. As you can see over here, we are using square brackets. So you can see the square brackets and tell it's a list. And in a list, all the items have positions and they are changeable. You can add, remove or update the items that we will learn about in methods of list. First, we'll need to understand what is a list. So list have proper index and index start from 0. So the apple is on 0, banana is on 1, and mango is on number 2. For example, I will show you an example how to access items to make you understand the index in the list. So for example, I want to access the apple. So I will use number 0 in square bracket to access apple because apple is on the 0 index. If I run this code, you can see for the 0, 1, it printed apple. And for the -1, it printed mango. Why? Because if you start counting from this side, it will be -1, -2, and -3. So for -1, it is mango over here. But what if we do -2 over here and run the code again? So -2 is banana because -1, -2, banana. And same if you do -3, then it will return apple. So if you start counting from left side, it will start from 0 index. But if you start counting from right side, it will start from -1, -2, and -3. So hopefully you understand what is a list in Python and how to tell the index and position of the items in a list. If you like this video, press the like button and follow for more videos like this. Thanks for watching this video. Today we will learn about accessing the list in Python. So in my previous video, I have told you what are lists. Now we will learn how to access list items. So I have a fruits list in which I have apple, banana, mango and orange. Lists are indexed from 0. So the apple index position will be 0 and then banana will have index position of 1, 2 and so on. If we count index from left side, it will start from 0. And if we count index from right side, it will start from -1. So let's access the first item in our list. So our first item is apple. So we can do this. We can put print and into small brackets, we can put fruits and then in square brackets, put the index of our first element in the fruit list. So if we say fruit into 0, this will print apple. If we run this code, you can see the result. As you can see over here, the first one we have apple and then we are putting index 1. So 0 and 1 will be banana as you can see over here, and then we have 2 which will be mango and mango is over here. Now what happens if you put -1 over here and run the code again? You will see now -1 is orange because I wanted to access the last item of the list. So I put -1 over here instead of 1. Now I have result of orange and orange is the last item in our list. And same with -2. If you run this code again, you will see it's mango as it is giving the same result because on index 2 it was mango and on index -2 it was mango. So that's why giving the same result over here. So hopefully you understand how to access item in a list. Welcome to Python series. As we were learning about lists in Python and we were learning about how to access items in a list. So I have already told you about how to access item in a list, and the index in a list start from 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. If you count from left side, if you count from right side, it will start from -1. So now today I will show you how to access multiple items in a list. So first I will show you accessing the list item with specific index in a manual way. So what I will do is, so for example, I have a list of colors here and I want to access some items from this list. So what I will do is I will create a new variable in which I will access the item from the color list and make it in a new list. So I will say from colors, give me the item on index 0 and give me the item on index 2. So on index 0 I have red and on index 2 I have green. So this will give me the result of red and green. If we run this code and see the result, as you can see over here, it gave me red and green. As you can see here, it gave me red and green. So this is the manual way of accessing multiple items. This is good for small selection, but not good for big selections. Now, the most common method of accessing items in a list is by slicing. Again, I have a list of colors and then again I am saying this list contains following colors and I want to get items from index 1 to 4. 4 is not included. If I want to get index till 3, I have to put 4 over here. So what I will do is I will again do the same item colors 1:4 into the square brackets. Now if I do print items and run the code and see what does it do. So it's giving me the items from 1 to 2, 3. As I don't have 4 in this one, but if you have 4 in this one, this will still give you the item to the 3. So this is 0, 1, 2, and 3. Even if I have one more item in over here, it will still give me to the 3. For example, if I put 3 over here, then it will give me 3 over here, then it will give me to the index 2. So it is giving from index 1 and then index 2 is green. So if you want first 3 items, then you have to put 0 and over here you have to put 4. And if you run this code again, you will get the first items in the list. So hopefully you understand how to access items in the list, how you can get access multiple items in the list. If you like this video, press the like button and follow for more videos like this. Thanks for watching this video. You can loop through parts of list in Python. So today I will show you how to access a range of items in a Python list by using for loop and slicing together. So in my code, I have a list of fruits in which I have 4 fruits, and then fruits is a list, and then fruits 1, 3 is a slicing of the list, and 4 fruits in is a for loop. Now let's break down the slicing of the list. 1 is the start index, which will be banana, because in Python, index counting start from 0, 1, 2, and 3, and so on. So 1 is banana, and then we have 3, which will be cherry. This is 0, 1, 2, as it is 2. But in Python, we always put one number more in slicing. So then we will get an item on the second index. So we can print items in the fruit list one by one by using for loop. We run this code. If we run this code and see the result, now you can see we have banana and we have cherry one by one. The for loop goes through only those sliced items one by one. The first loop prints banana and the second loop prints cherry. And then after that, loops stop. So always slice first and then loop. Python makes it easy. So this is how you can loop over a part of list in Python one by one. If you like this video, press the like button and follow for more videos like this. Thanks for watching this video. Hello guys, welcome to Python series. As we were learning about how to access item in a list. To access item in a list, there are so many methods which include slicing as well. Today we will learn about how to get item by using slicing with a step. So I have a list of numbers from 1 till 8 and I want to get every second item or every third item. So what I will do is I will use slicing method, which is start colon top colon step. So in here we will put where should it start. So I am leaving it empty. So this will start from the beginning default. And then we have stop. So I will leave this empty. So it will go to the end by default. And then at the end we put the step. Here you can put any step. If you want to get every second item, you will put 2. If you want to get every third item, you will put 3 over here. So that's why Python picks 1. So it will start from the beginning and it will pick the 1, which is index 0, first item. And then for the stop, I didn't put anything, so it will go until the end. And step, I put 2. So after 1, it will pick 3 on index 2. And then after it will pick number 5 and skip number 4. So it is getting every second item. So then it will pick 7 after that. If we run this code and see the result, you can see it picked 1, 3, 5, 7 and it skipped every other item. So this is how you can use slicing with the step to get item from a list on your preferred index. So hopefully you have learned something new. You have learned about slicing with the step and how to get items by using different ways. If you want to learn more different ways of getting items, please watch my previous video and my next video as well, in which I will discuss different methods of getting items from a list. If you like this video, the like button, follow for more videos like this. Thanks for watching this video. Hello guys, welcome to Python series. As we were learning about all the methods from which you can access item in a list, today we will talk about using list comprehension method, that how we can use list comprehension to get items in a list. I have numbers, which is the main list, and then I have indexes which will tell the Python which positions we want. Now this line of the code means the result is a new variable I have created. What will happen inside this? So this will take each value in indexes, which is this one, use it for an index for numbers, and then collect the result and make new list which I have created, named it as result. And then if I print the result, it will give me the value 10, 30 and 50. How? Because I have given Python the indexes as well. So I have given 0 index. So on 0, I have 10. And on index 2, I have 30. 0, 1, 2. And on 4, I have 50. So 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So that's why it's giving me this result. If we run this code, you will see the result. So it's giving me 10, 30, and 50. So you can use list comprehension method and you can make a list of indexes to get the exact item you want. So in this way, you can write clean code, no loops needed. You can just tell the numbers which one you want and you will get your result. Hopefully you understand this method and you like today's video. If you like today's video, press the like button and follow for more videos like this. Thanks for watching this video. And if you want to learn more about list method, that how to get items from a list, you can watch my previous video and upcoming videos in my Python series. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hello guys, welcome to Python series. Today I will show you how to change items inside a list or an existing list in Python. So changing list item in Python means updating values that are already inside a list. For example, I have a fruit list in which I have apple, banana, and cherry. And then I want to change this banana to mango. So what I can do, I can change the banana item. First, I will access the index of the banana, which is fruit, into 1, and then I can change in this way, put equal, and then in string I will put mango, and Python will replace banana with mango. If we run this code, you can see over here now we got apple, mango, and cherry. Before we got apple, banana, and cherry. So hopefully you understand how to change a single item using index. Now I will show you how to change multiple items by using slicing method in Python. So in my previous video, I have told you about slicing method, that how to access the items in a list using slicing. So you already understand what is slicing. Now we will use slicing method to change multiple items. So for example, I have a list of numbers in which I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. First, I will access the item I want to change in a list. So for example, I want to change first 3 characters, these 3 characters in a list. So I will say 1:4. I will access these, then put equal sign. It is same as this one, but in this one, we're just using slicing method and change it to 20, 30, and 40. We run this code. Now you will see we have 1, which we didn't change because this is on 0. This is not on 1 index. So 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we always put one number more, as I want you to access only 3. That's why I put 4. But if we put 0 over here, and then we can print the number and we will get this result over here, in which we have changed the value from index 1 till index 4, which is 4 over here. So hopefully you understand how to change single item in a list and how to change multiple item in a list. If you like this video, press the like button and follow for more videos like this. Thanks for watching this video.